Hey there, this is Chris Palmer with ChrisPalmerMarketing.com. So, if you don't know, I want to go ahead and get this out of the way. I'm Christopher Palmer with the YouTube channel Chris Palmer SEO. You can check me out on YouTube. You can also get all of these wonderful episodes that you can find on YouTube right here on Spotify. You can also get me on any of the podcast platforms. Now, the reason for today's video is the brand new book called SEO Audit. This is the SEO Audit SEO Expert Guide for Beginners, written by myself, Chris Palmer SEO at ChrisPalmerMarketing.com. This book is 252 pages. It's on paperbook, on Amazon, anywhere books are sold, to be quite frank with you. Along with that, Google Books, most notably on Amazon in paperback, or you can pick it up on ebook, which makes it easy for everyone. Very, very soon, I will go ahead and read out each of the steps for my audio listeners. I really want to be able to help as many people as possible. That's the objective. That's why this guide is so inexpensive. I didn't write a book to make money. I wrote a book to give people a simple step-by-step process on how to audit a website. And it was on my bucket list, to be quite frank. So it's SEO Audit by Chris Palmer. I'll go ahead and read the back for you. The cover is yellow. It says SEO Expert Guide for Beginners by Chris Palmer. The back says the SEO Audit Expert Manual for Beginners will focus on technical SEO, on-page SEO, along with making a website user-friendly. Everything from A to Z broken down step by step to take a complex audit and make it so easy a beginner can understand and implement. And then I went ahead and thanked my good luck charm. And my good luck charm, for anyone that doesn't know, I don't know who would know, is my bubby. It's my son, Chris Palmer. He's a good luck charm. Since he came, my life has completely changed. I went ahead and made a dedication in the very beginning. It's on the second page after the title of the book, and it says dedication. Dedicate this book and guide to the entire family. So that's my entire family, not just meaning my family as in my wife, along with my son and my daughter, but more notably the entire family. Anyone that's been learning with me, following along and helping my business grow, I help their business grow. This is the exchange, and I completely understand that exchange. So I went ahead. That's why I said the entire family. And of course, I thanked my bubby, and that's my good luck charm. That's my son. I love him very dearly. He's my heart. He means the world to me. And I hope that you enjoyed this book. I hope you enjoy this guide. Again, my name is Chris Palmer with ChrisPalmerMarketing.com. You can go ahead and feel free to look me up on pretty much any social media platform: Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter, Spotify. If there's a TikTok, if there is a social media platform for me to get my message out, I'm there. And I hope that this message reaches you. Check out the new book, SEO Audit. It's by myself, Chris Palmer Marketing. You can go ahead and go right to the page, ChrisPalmerMarketing.com/SEO-audit. Check me out. My name's Chris Palmer. Thank you so much. I hope that you hear this message. Thank you so much for just giving me the time. I truly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Many blessings. And I'll catch you in the next podcast.